This right here is my plasma gun, also known as plasma popper. I'm going to start by showing you how it works, and then I'm going to show you a demonstration of its abilities and looks. Alright, so we're going to start down here, and we'll work our way up. So, right here is a tank of MAP gas, as you can see. And the MAP gas, what you do is you release the gas into this vinyl tubing here. And the tubing swirls around, and then comes back around here to the combustion chamber. And the gas builds up in the combustion chamber as it's larger. And so you hold the gas for a couple seconds as it builds up through the vinyl tubing and the combustion chamber. And then you set off a little fire, which comes from the same nozzle. And the fire burns around and around and around and around and around. And all the way around until it reaches the combustion chamber. And then it makes a big pop. And that's from all the gas in the combustion chamber burning. And it's cool because it's actually plasma, not fire, which is a lot hotter than fire. And you could almost think of it like in the way that dynamite works. So how dynamite has a fuse, and then once the fuse reaches its end, it explodes. So it's sort of like a dynamite in how this is the fuse that goes all the way around, and you can see the cool plasma like burning and burning and burning and burning until it reaches the combustion chamber. And it can be very loud, which is sometimes annoying, but it's very cool. And this is where it comes out of. It does release a little bit of fire out this end. So, yeah, you have to be careful. How I built it was, first, I had a piece of wood, and I drilled these holes for the tubing to go through. Then I put the tubing in. Then I took 2 bottles. The bottles have to have thick plastic because otherwise they might melt and then it won't work anymore. So these bottles have thick plastic. I'm not sure what kind they are. I think they were like off-brand Gatorade. Then I hot glued and electrical tape sealed that. I hot glued the bottles in. And then I just connected this. And how I connected it was I taped a whole bunch of electrical tape so that it can't go out that way. And then to attach the whole thing, I used some packaging tape there, which actually did work, but it was a little bit flimsy. So we added a thing right here, and I added a thing right there, which helps stabilize the whole thing. So now I can carry it with one hand from here. So now I'm going to give you a demonstration. Now, here's the demonstration. Now, a quick side note, the plasma gun is a lot brighter and louder in person, and then the video can pick up. And it's also, since it's daytime, it's hard to see. So I'll show another clip in the dark so you can see it better.